It is both an honor and a privilege to welcome you here to the Amaravati Quantum Workshop 2025. Today marks more than just a confluence of India's brightest quantum minds. Today marks a turning point, a moment when Mr. Naidu signals to the world that he is ready to lead the next technological revolution. Honestly, I find myself very lucky to see his second chapter of technology revolution. When he started his first chapter, I was in 7th class, like quite a few of the ministers now. And we really didn't understand what he's trying to achieve in IT. But it takes a visionary to see the future, distill it, execute it. And once again, while young ministers are in their 40s, we're witnessing the next technological revolution under the leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu ji. We are here to ignite a bold vision to transform Amaravati into South Asia's first quantum valley, a thriving ecosystem where ideas become innovations and innovations become industries. This is not a one-day event. This is a dawn of a national movement with Andhra Pradesh as its epicenter. We are investing in a full-stack quantum capability from qubit architecture to cryoelectronics, from algorithm development to global quantum standards. And I'm proud to announce that the Amaravati Quantum Valley will soon be home to the IBM Quantum System 2, India's most advanced quantum computer. India's most advanced quantum computer with 156 qubits. Asia's first quantum standards testbed in collaboration with NPL, IEEE, CDAC and AWS. A thriving quantum tech startup ecosystem with anchor support from IBM, TCS, HCL, Tech Mahindra and many more. Our mission is grounded in the strategic foresight backed by the National Quantum Mission announced by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and enriched by global partnerships. We are collaborating with leading academic powerhouses like IIT Madras, IISc, Purdue University and University of Tokyo. Industry leaders such as Microsoft, LTI-Mindtree, QNU Labs and others to co-develop frontier applications in quantum cybersecurity. Precision sensing for defense, healthcare and aerospace, quantum chips and cryoelectronics, quantum AI for pharma, climate and supply chain resilience.